Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more concept on list, which is the negative indexes. So, how to do that? While indexes start at 0 and go up, that is the positive indexing, you can also use a negative integers for the index. So, that means the integer value -1 refers to the last index in the list. The value -2 refers to the second to last index in a list, and so on. What does it mean? For example, if you are considering spam as the variable containing a list, in that we have items cat, bat, rat, elephant. Since it is a negative indexing, so it has to be an integer value with a negative sign. As we start from left to right, it starts from 0 as the index for cat, 1 as the index for bat, 2 as the index for rat, and 3 as the index for elephant. If you are going from right to left, then it starts with a negative indexing. That is -1 elephant, -2 rat, -3 bat, and -4 cat. So here in this case, what happens if I say spam -1? So since you are going from right to left because of the negative sign, so whatever it is there in the index value of 1, which is the item, is elephant, so the output will be elephant. Similarly, spam -3 will give you bat. Suppose if I want to add, the elephant is afraid of the bat. So which are all the items which contain in the list? Elephant is there and also bat is there. So how to print that? Now here, first is the is a string. So you take the given space. Then what is the elephant? Elephant will going to be there in the spam variable with an item which is elephant, which is the last index. So if you are giving through negative index, it will be -1. So the spam -1 plus give one more string because he is afraid of the bat. After elephant, I want space. So after this, you give space. He is afraid of the. Then you give one more space. Give this space. And what is that bat? Bat, in which variable you have bat? That is in spam, you have bat here. As we want to go by the negative indexing, therefore you have to start from -1, -2, -3. So it will go to give plus spam -3 plus within the string you give a full stop. Then if you want to add these things, since it is all the items are strings, so therefore it can concatenate. The spam -1 plus is afraid of the give space plus spam -3 plus gives full stop. So the elephant is afraid of the bat. The next concept is getting sublist and sliceless slices. Just as an index can get a single value from a list, a slice can get several values from a list in the form of a new list. A slice is typed between square brackets like an index, but it has two integers separated by colon. Notice the difference between indexes and slices. Spam2 is an index, is a list with an index, one integer. Then spam 1:4 is the list with slice, two integers. Then in a slice, the first integer is the index where the slice starts. The second integer is the index where the slice ends. A slice goes up to but will not include the value at the end of the second index. A slice evaluates your new list value. Then spam equals cat, bat, rat, elephant, all are strings. If I say 0:4 spam, this is the slice. It starts from the first index, which is 0, that is cat. Can you go up to 4? No, because it is less than 1. I mean, last but one value of the index of the last one. So that means if you say spam 0:4, it will go from 0 to 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So you're going to print cat, bat, rat, elephant directly. If I say 1 colon 3, so what does that mean? It starts from 1, index 1, which is bat, colon 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, this one. So up to or the last but one of that. So that means you're going to have the output as 0, 1, and 2. So that is bat and rat. I cannot take 3 because you can go up to, but it cannot include the last index value. Similarly, span 0, minus 1. So it starts from 0, cat, bat, rat, elephant. So it starts and ending value, that is minus 1 is the elephant. It can go up to but not including minus 1. So that means cat, bat, rat is the answer. As a shortcut, you can leave out one or both the indexes on either side of the colon in the slice. That means leaving out the first index is the same as starts from 0 or at the beginning of the list. And leaving out the second index is the same as using the length of the list, which will slice to the end of the list. Suppose if you have span cat, bat, rat, elephant. Span equals cat, bat, rat, elephant. If I say, if I omit the first index value, colon 2, so that means 0, 1, 2. So it starts from 0 itself. I cannot go up to, but it cannot include 2. So that means cat and bat will going to be the answer. Similarly, span 1 colon, you don't refer anything. So that means you are start from bat, rat, and elephant. Span within square brackets, you just give colon. That means you start from index and also the index, last index. So that means you are going to get the entire span items which has been printed here, which is cat, bat, rat, elephant. Now, how to go about doing this? So to do that, here, so we will go to this. We have span is equal to, now we will go for cat Python code. To do that, I will say span equals cat, comma, bat, comma, rat, comma, elephant. Okay. So once you have this, then I want span 0 colon 4. So I will say x equals span 0 colon 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. I am including everything. So now I'll go for print x. So that means it will print the entire items of the span with a separate list. That is cat, bat, rat, elephant. Once you do that, now we will come to this 1 colon 3. So now we will go for 1 colon 3. So what should be the output? It starts from 1 means bat, 0 is cat, 1 is bat, 2 is rat, 3 is elephant. But I cannot go to 3, but it can go up to 3, but it cannot include 3. So that means it will going to get bat and rat. So that is your output here, bat and rat. So it starts in 1 and comes to 2. Only it will going to get 2 items, bat and rat. So once you get this 0 colon minus 1. So to do that, here I will start from 0 colon minus 4. Sorry, minus 1. Okay, 0 colon minus 1. What is the value? It starts from 0 means cat, bat, rat. Minus 1, it cannot include minus 1. So you're going to get cat, bat, and rat. Now we are going to take up, so leaving out the index values. So that means I can leave out the first index, or I can leaving out the last index, or I can leave both the indexes. That is the meaning of this. So to do that, we will go for span 0 colon 2. Okay. Now span 0 colon 2. So that, sorry, 0 colon, you can colon 2. So that means you are starting from 0, leaving out the first index. and up to 0, 1, 2. So that means you're going to get 0 and 1. You cannot go up to 2. It's not possible. So to do that, I will say cat and bat is your output. So you're going to get cat and bat. Similarly, I can go for 1 colon. You are starting, the first index is 1 and go till to the end. So bat, rat and elephant. So 1 colon. So bat, rat and elephant. Now similarly, if you have both the starting index and ending index, if I don't consider, see what happens. So that means you are starting with 0 and it goes to the end, which is up to elephant. So you will going to get cat, bat, rat and elephant. So that is what you will going to see here. So these are all the things which you can do here in our Python program. Thank you.